So the OnePlus 6 is about to release and there is no surprise expected. If you have been paying attention to social media, if you are a big fan of OnePlus, or if you watch my videos on regular basis, then you pretty much know what is coming out today. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 6 key features of the OnePlus 6. So let's begin this video. The first feature in the list is super slow-mo video recording. Yeah guys, the OnePlus 6 will have the camera which will be able to record videos at 960 frames per second at 720p resolution, which is a great feature. Nowadays, smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Xperia XZ2 also supports 960 frames per second videos at 1080p or on 720p. So it's a good feature though. The second best feature of the OnePlus 6 will be the water resistance. Yeah guys, the OnePlus 6 will be the first OnePlus device to support water resistance. OnePlus always makes great phones, but this feature always not in the list of the OnePlus, but now the OnePlus 6 will feature the water resistance, which is a great thing. The third feature in the list is top-end hardware. The OnePlus 6 will be powered by Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 processor. The company posted a teaser image on Weibo which showed Snapdragon 845 processor as well as teased about 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. We expect the phone to come with the various RAM and storage options including 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB and 8GB and 128GB storage. The fourth feature in the list is new all-glass design. Image leaks of the OnePlus 6 indicates that the phone will have a reflective glass rear, and this was confirmed by the company also recently. Up till now, OnePlus has stuck to either metal or sandstone finish on its device, so the OnePlus 6 would be the first device to come with an all-glass body, which is a great thing. The fifth feature in the list is wireless charging. Yeah guys, the OnePlus 6 will be the first OnePlus phone to support this feature. Due to metal and sandstone finish on its previous device, OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T does not support the wireless charging, but this beast, the OnePlus 6 will support the wireless charging, which is also a great thing. The last but not the least feature in the list is notch screen. This was confirmed by the both co-founder of the OnePlus that the OnePlus 6 will feature a notch on the top. The OnePlus 6, from rumors, it is evident that the OnePlus 6 will have a 6-inch or 6.2-inch notch screen with the 19.9 aspect ratio and resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels. So guys, these were the top 6 features of the OnePlus 6. So what's your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.